Besties, happy first week of the month, girl. You don't take all of the summer scents, so let's get into it. Now, I had these summer scents out since May, and I have like a lot of summer scents. So for the month of September, I'm gonna have one more layer out, so like my vacation vibe and stuff. Okay, this is a kind of sad moment. Like it's trying to put all of these summer scents up and bring out my other summer scents that I didn't get a chance to use for summer. So let's put these up. Let's move these out the way. I'm gonna have for this month: fresh coconut and cotton, meet me in Miami, vacation vibes, solar sunshine, pineapple mango, cotton candy clouds, fruity sherbet scoop, and vanilla rainbow sprinkles for the month of September. Here's the finished product. I had a lot, so I had to put my summer scents up there. I had to put some more scents down there. But here's the full lineup. We got Pink Paradise, Underwater Oceans, Midnight Blue Citrus, Vanilla Rainbow Sprinkles, Fruity Sherbet Scoop, Miami, Fresh Con, Vacation Vibe, Rio Pineapple Mango, Solar Shine, and Kind Kitty Clouds, besties. So yeah, besties.